Good morning, dear children. Now we are heading towards the brain teaser of Introduction to Graphs. Question number 1 is MCQ and we shall start with question number 2. Now what is the first question? Write down the coordinates of origin. Children, what is the origin? Look here, this is the origin. I think all of you can get this. This is the origin. Now, what are the points of the origin? The points of the origin are 0, 0 because this point is 0 and for x-axis as well as for y-axis. So, the origin is 0, 0. Your origin O is 0, 0 and it is written as 0.0. What are the coordinates of a point which lies on the x-axis? Now, children, see. Suppose a point lies on the x-axis. That means this is the point on the x-axis. This is the point on the x-axis. This one is also the point on x-axis. All these points are on x-axis. Now, what are the coordinates of a point which lie on the x-axis? The coordinates of the point which lies on the x-axis for all the points lying on the x-axis, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 for all the points which lie on the x-axis. That will be x comma 0. So you will write x comma 0. This is the point. What are the coordinates? The coordinates of the point are x comma 0. For x, it can be anything 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 depending on what is the value of x. Now see, what is the distance of the point 4, 2 from y-axis? First of all, plot the point 4, 2. 4, 2 means from 4 in the x-axis, you have to draw a straight line. First of all, draw a straight line from the x-axis. That is 4 from the x-axis in such a way that it moves straight. It is perpendicular to the Yes, it is not going straight now. Now once more I'll try. Yes. Now 4 and 2 from y-axis. So let us come to 2 on y-axis. This is point 2 on y-axis. Now see, from 2 what do we get? Which point do we get? From here you see. Yes. Now the intersecting point. Which one is the intersecting point? This is the intersecting point. Now what is the distance of the point 4, 2 from y-axis? See, this is 4, 2, 0.42 and from y-axis, you see from y-axis, the distance is this one. The distance is this one. This one. So how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many units? 4 units. So the distance of 0.42 from y-axis is 4 units. What is the distance between the points 0, 2 and 0, 6? Now see, the question number 3 was 4 units. Okay. Now what is the answer for question number 4? Question number 4 says, what is the distance between the point 0, 2 and 0, 6? First of all, 0, 2. 0 means this one. X-axis 0 and 2 is on the y-axis. So point this point. He is talking about this point and then 0, 2 and after that 0, 6. 0, 6 means 0 on the x-axis and y on the 6 on the y-axis. So this point. So what is the distance between 0, 2 and 0, 6? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 units. It is equal to 4 units. If the vertices of OAB of a square, OABC are 0, 0, 2, 0. See, first of all, let us try to find out what is 0, 0. This point is 0, 0. Okay. This one is 0, 0. Now, what is the second point? 2, 0. 2, 0 means 2 is on the x-axis. So, this one is 2, 0. This point is 2, 0. Okay. Now, third point is 2, 2. So third point is 2, 2. Where is 2, 2? 2 from the x-axis and 2 from the y-axis. So see, 2, 2 is this point. 2, 2 is this point. Okay. Now, what is the fourth point which will make it a square? Now, children, see, from here I am taking another color. See, from 0 to 2 here. This is first line. Then this is the second line. Come here. Let us see this one. This is the second line. Okay. Now, this is the third line. This is the third line. Now, and this will be the fourth line. So, see here, what points do we have? We have 0, 0, then 2, 0, then 2, 2. So, what is the fourth point? Our fourth point is this one. So, what is this point? This point is nothing but 0, 2. This point is 0, 2 because we will take 0 from for the x-axis and 2. The point is on the y-axis, that is on 2. So 0, 2. So the fourth point is 0, 2. What are the coordinates of the fourth vertex C of the square? See, this is O, this is A, this is B, and this point is C. So C is equal to how much? 0, 2. Okay. Number 2. Let us see question number 2. Brain teasers. Write the coordinates of each of the flying vertices of each polygon given below. Now look here. See P, Q, R, S. You can see here P, Q, R, S. This is a parallelogram. You can see L, M and N. You can see L, M and N. And L, M, N is a triangle. And you can also see A, B, C, O. A, B, C, O. And this is what? This is a square. You can see and you can find out the lengths also. Okay, now what you have to do here is you write the coordinates. You have to write the coordinates. That means you have to write the points. How will you write? Now come on, let us start how to write the points. I have taken a ruler here. Let us see how you can find out the value of each and every point using this ruler. Now see here, I am going to the first figure, that is O, A, B, C, O. Now look here, point B. Point B is at, on the x-axis it is at 2. Okay. On the x-axis it is at 2 and even in the y-axis it is at 2. So B point is 2, 2. Okay. Now see here, C point is on the y-axis. So this point will have 0 for the x-axis, 0 from the x-axis and 2 from the y-axis. So point is 0, 2. This one is the origin. So you know it is 0 for x and 0 for y. So 0, 0. Now look at this point. This point is how much? From x it is 2 and for y it is 0. So it is 2, 0. Isn't it? Now let us move to the next part, that is for L, M and N. Children, you can see, let us see for L. See the first point, that is x-axis, it is 5. From the x-axis it is 5. Now let us see what is it in the y-axis. Let us change the scale and find out how much it is in the y-axis. Now see, from 5, you see, it is equal to 4. So, 5, 4. Your L is equal to 5, 4. Now see what is your M. See, its y coordinate is 2. You can clearly see from here y coordinate is equal to 2. Now let us see what is its x coordinate. Let us see what is its x coordinate. Y coordinate is equal to 2. Now let us change the scale. and see it is equal to 8. Okay, so your m is 8 comma 2. Now your n is clearly on the x-axis, so y-axis will be 0 for this, and the point n is equal to how much? It is on 5 comma y-axis will be 0. So your n is equal to 5 0. Okay, I think here it is clear. Now let us go for the next. Let us see the points of P, Q, R and S. First let us go for P. See, from x it is equal to 2 and it is clearly visible y it is 6. So P is 2 comma 6. Point P is 2 comma 6. Now let us see Q. Let us see Q. How much is Q? See, when I take the scale, for the x point it is 4. It is 4. Okay. So x here for Q, x is equal to 4. Now let us see how much is y. Okay. We have to change the scale here. Now see, it is equal to 6. So Q is nothing but 4 comma 6. Okay. Now let us see how much is R. See, y coordinate is 7. Now let us see what is the x coordinate for R. Let us see how much is the x coordinate for R. Children, you can easily see here the scale has moved, so it is not perfect. Okay, now see, it is equal to 5. Okay, so R is nothing but 5 7. It is equal to 5 comma 7. Now let us see how much is your S. So see, x coordinate, for x coordinate it is 3. It is clearly visible. See here, this is 3. Okay, this is 3. And so here it is, first you will write 3 and then let us see how much is your y coordinate. You can see from here it is 7. It is 7. You can see from here. So 3 7. 3 7 is the coordinates of S. 3 7 I am writing properly. Okay, 3 comma 7. So this way you have to find out the coordinates of each of the vertices of the polygon given. Now let us see question number 3. The runs scored by the Indian and Australian teams in the first 10 overs are given below. See here, number of runs and the overs are given both for India as well as for Australia. Now what you have to do is you have to draw a graph showing the data, making the graph on the same axis in each case. That means see, you have to show the graph of India as well as Australia both on the same graph. How will you show? And here you have to make the graph between number of runs in overs as per the given overs. Now see here overs, first over, second over, third over, fourth over, fifth over, sixth over, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10 overs were played. Now overs are your independent variable. Over is your independent variable and the runs are dependent variable, because first over was played and India got 3 runs, Australia got 5 runs. So first of all we shall plot the graph for India. Before that we have to put the scale. So on the x-axis we will be putting the overs. So let us go for this. This is first, this is second, Let me show you. Let me make it big and then I will show you. See, on the x-axis I am plotting first over, second over, third over, fourth over, fifth over, sixth over, seventh over, eighth over, ninth over and 10th over. Okay, this is the 10th over. Now let us plot for y-axis. Let us see how you can plot for y-axis. Y-axis you have to put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, so let us put the numbers. Smallest is 3, biggest is 12. So we can start with 1. Okay, let us start with 1 and put the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now we shall plot the graph. How we shall plot the graph? Let us see. See, first over India got 3 runs. So come to the first over. First over means it is on the x-axis. India got 3 runs. So the point is here. Okay. Second over India got 4 runs. Second over India got 4 runs. It will come here. Third over India got 6 runs. Now third over India got 6 runs. The point is here. Fourth over India got 5 runs. So the point is here. Sixth over India got 8 runs. See, first over, second over, third over, fourth over, fifth over, India got 7 runs. Fifth over, India got 7 runs. It will come here. Sixth over, India got 8 runs. Sixth over, India got 8 runs. It will come here. Okay. And seventh over, India got 10 runs. Seventh over, India got 10 runs. Okay. Now, eighth over, India got 5 runs. Eighth over, India got 5 runs. It comes here. Ninth over, India got 6 runs. It comes here again. And 10th over, India got only 4 runs. So this comes here. Okay. Now let us plot this graph first. First let us join the points. Okay. Let me join the points. Now when you do it in the graph paper, children, try to join the points of India and Australia with different colors so that you can easily see it. Okay. So see, keep the scale properly and after that you can draw it. Okay. I am taking 2 different colors so that you can see it properly. See, here to here. First over, second over. Now again add this one. Third, second and third. Now see children, this way we will join all the points. And this color, which color? Magenta color is showing you the graph of India. In the same way, now we shall plot the points of Australia. See, for Australia, first over 5 runs. So first over 5 runs, the point comes at this place. This is the first point here. Okay. Now what is the second point? Second over 6 runs. So second over go to 6. So here the point comes. Third over it is 8. Third over 8. So third over go to 8. So this is 8. Now fourth over it is 9. Fourth over 9. So come here. Now see, fifth over it is 10. Fifth over it is 10. This is 10. Now see, sixth over it is 12. So sixth over it is going to 12 here. Okay. 6th over it is 12. 7th over it is 4. Now 7th over you come to 4. It is coming here. Okay. 8th over it is again 6th. 6. 8 over you go to 6. It is coming this way. 6. Okay. 9th over it is 8. 9th over it is equal to 8. It is coming this place. And 10th over it is 9th over 8 and 10th over is also equal to 8. We have to move this figure a little. So 10th over also it is equal to 8. Here it is coming. Isn't it? 9th over also 8 and 10th over is also 8. Again what you have to do is you have to join all the points. Now see children, when you join the points, see for first over Australia was having 5 runs, in the second over it was having 6 runs and in the third over it was having 8 runs, fourth over 9 runs, fifth over 10 runs, 6th over 12 runs, 7th over 4 runs, 8th over again 6 runs, then 9th over and 10th over it was having 8 runs. Okay, so this way you have got the points, and then when you join the points you get the graph this way. You can see the graph of India as well as Australia. See, this is the graph of Australia and this is the graph of India. So this way children you can plot the points and draw the graph of India as well as Australia on the same graph, on the same axis. See here, what is it written? Same axis. Same axis means same x and y axis. So this way you can do the graph work for both the graphs.